Hi, Josh Giumelli here. In this month's Farming Ahead, we've been getting down and dirty in the workshop and we're looking at ways to keep your nuts tight. That's right, stopping nuts and bolts vibrating loose because, machinery breakdowns sometimes can be caused by something as simple as a nut coming off when it should have stayed put in the first place. So we're going through all the normal methods like using different types of spring washers, serrated washers. These are called Nordlock washers, pretty specialist piece of gear, to the nuts themselves. So you've probably seen Nylock nuts as well as cast-loaded nuts. How to install a split pin properly. You wouldn't believe how many people actually don't know how to do that properly. And then we're on to locking compounds. So, there are a plethora of different types of locking compounds. So how do we use these correctly? Which ones do we use for particular applications? And then we also look at something a little bit fancier. So if you've ever wondered what this weird looking set of pliers is for, well, it's for twisting locking wire, and something used very quite a lot in the military and aviation is locking wires. But I tell you what, if you want to stop things coming loose, that's the way. Anyway, check out Farming Ahead next month for how to stop your nuts coming loose.